My friend Jerry really liked an exciting life, pleasures left and right. He was fun to hang around with. But he ended up in debt. He ended up with poor relationships. He kept losing jobs, and life was just fleeting for him. He couldn't commit to anything that was important of deeper value. And one day I overheard his girlfriend say, as she was leaving, "Take your finger off the self-destruct button." And it just really made sense. How often are you the one causing problems in your life because of your habits or because of what you're in denial about? And that's not a bad thing, because you can learn from it and turn that energy around. Take the energy you're putting in one area of your life and put it in the area that's going to lead to the life that you want. It is available to you. It's why you're here. And in the end, there are worse ways to live. Join me on the other side.